Hello. In 1994, I started collecting Games Workshop, Warhammer, whatever you want to call it, games with the epic Space Marines. I've still got my first army, which was Eldar, but now I've recently given in and bought the Legion's Imperialis box set. I've already got the Titan Legions box set, so let's see what we have inside this one. Horrible sound. Right, inside here we got whipping sticks, which were still in existence all this time. Even we were using these in 94, or throwing them away in 94. We have some nice orange tokens. We have lots of sprues. We are blind as a bat, so I've got to get my glasses. Where have I put them? These are the Imperials. I don't want them. More Imperials. I don't want them. Space Marines. I do want them. More Space Marines. I do want them. Is that an Imperial tank? If it is, I don't want that. That's the Predators, I do want that. Warhound Titans, yes, I want that. Want that, want that. Lehman Russes, I think, don't want any of them. And the Sicarians, yes, I do want them. Okay, there's a bit fallen off from somewhere. A little bit of orange stuff there. Divider card. Which have got the companion products that were available at launch time. A big, solid rule book. Largely outdated because of the new rules. Some dodgy white envelope. Right. These have got the marker cones, marker icons even, and a reference sheet. Got here an assembly instruction sheet for the parts. Take that out, that'd be useful. Some transfers, which I won't ever use because I can't stand transfers. Lots and lots of dice. Lots and lots of bases. Some Warhound Titan bases. And that's about it. Then, if anyone wants to buy the Solar Auxilia, they'll be available on Facebook Marketplace if you're local to Somerset. Thank you for watching. Get ready for the part 2.